Hey, what's up everybody? It's me, MsEbonyVee. Welcome back or to my channel. If this is your first time here, thanks so much for joining me today. I do hope you'll consider hitting that subscribe button as well as that notification bell so you don't miss any other videos from me. And if you're returning, hey Shug Muffin. Alright, so today's video is going to be a makeup tutorial on this look. So if you want to see how I achieve this, continue watching. Alright, so as you can see, I already have my eyebrows done and my eyes prepped, as well as my face and lips moisturized. So now I'm going to add some tape to the sides of my eyes so that I don't have to work so hard in getting a nice sharp edge. So I'm going to start with using this HD gel liner by Ruby Kisses in the color Rich Black. I'm using this Luxie small shader brush to apply this gel liner all over my lid. So I like to use a gel liner first and then follow it up with another black eyeshadow just for maximum pigmentation. So now I'm going to go in with my MAC eyeshadow palette in the color Carbon, which is a very dark black color. And I'm going to apply that all over the gel liner I've already applied, just to deepen the black color as well as mattifying the color. And then I'm just going to buff out the edge of that color so that I can easily apply the next transition color. Next, I'm going to go in with my BH Cosmetics. It's my Raye eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to be using the color Flare to go right above that dark black color. I'm going to be using this MAC 217 brush to blend those two colors together. I don't know why I be making these weird faces when I'm applying my makeup. Anybody else a part of the weird face making gang when applying makeup? I don't even know why I be doing it. Now I'm going to go in with the color Brick in the same eyeshadow palette and just kind of buff out the very edge of that last color and make it a seamless blend where it's more of a gradient effect. So I went ahead and applied my lashes off camera, and for this look I didn't feel the need to add any eyeliner because of the black color that I'm using. So now I'm just going to go ahead and remove this tape, and I'm going to speed up the footage for finishing my face because I want the focus, of course, to be just on the eyes. And believe it or not, that is all I did for the eyes. So just stick around, continue watching as I finish my face. Right now I'm doing my color correcting. I've already primed my face. I'm going to color correct before adding my powder. And as you can see, I use this Dermablend powder. I've been using this forever because I have super oily skin, and this powder is like the gods. Oh my goodness, it keeps my face and skin mattified for a very long time. So if you have oily skin, use this before your foundation. It saves lives. It works wonders. So I just went in with my Maybelline Superstay foundation, and this is in the color 355 Coconut. The brush that I'm using is a face brush by Juvia's Place. I love using this brush first, and then I also follow it up with my beauty sponge just to make sure that I have a seamless blend of my foundation. Now I'm going in with my Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer in the color Caramel. And I'm just going to blend that out with my beauty sponge. After I finish blending my concealer, I like to flip the sponge around to the side where I use my foundation and just blend the two together, my concealer and foundation, to kind of get rid of any harsh lines that may occur. Now I'm going to go in with my Wet n Wild Photo Focus Setting Powder in the color Banana to set all of my concealer in place. I'm doing a little nose contouring using the Fenty Beauty Instant Warmth Bronzer in the color Mocha Mami. And I'm also going to use this same color to actually contour my face. I may skip over some parts of the products that I'm using, so all of the products will be listed down in the description box below. So be sure to check that out if you are interested in something specific that I used. So after I finished setting everything in place, I did finish like my highlighting and under my eyes on camera, I thought, but I was not recording, so I apologize for that. So here you're gonna see the final look after all of that, and I do have my highlighter and under eyes completed. Now I'm gonna add my lips, and this is the NYX Matte Lip Cream or Soft Matte Lip Cream in the color Copenhagen. And then I'm also going to add a matte lip cream lippy from the Crayon case in the color Crawfish to the middle of my lips, or the inserts of my lips. And here is the final look. So here is the final look of this quick and easy Valentine's Day sultry smoky eye look. Now I hope you found this video to be easy and helpful. Like, I didn't want it to be a whole lot involved. I just kind of wanted it to be super quick and easy, for real, for real. So of course, let me know what you all think about this look. Do you think it was easy? Do you think it was helpful? Do you think it was quick? It may not be. You know, recording these videos are so much longer. That's why I don't do that many makeup videos. I'm trying to reel them in and do a few more. But yeah, they take so long. But be sure to let me know what you think down in the comments below. Also, if you made it this far, go ahead and leave me some little red lips down in the comments below as well, so that I know you made it to the end of the video. If you are interested in this hair that I'm wearing, I will be sure to link it down in the description box below. If you're not already, be sure to follow me on Instagram at MsEbonyVee. I thank you all so much for watching this video. I hope you found it soothing, relaxing, helpful, all of that. So please be sure to thumbs up this video, hit that subscribe button if you have not, and I'll be sure to catch you all in the next video. Bye, y'all.